Hello everyone, welcome to CyberMX, and in this video we are going to talk about find command and how we can use it to find empty files and directories on Kali Linux.
Now, let's say I do not know anything about the name, so we can remove the name option and then we can specify some other options like empty. If you know that the file is empty, let's say I'm looking for a file which is empty. If I hit enter, it will show me all those files in my machine which are currently empty. You can see that these all files are empty files on our machine. Okay, you can see there are a lot of files present here which are empty, which do not have anything written in these files. So if you want to find them, you can use this command. If you want to find empty directories, you can use this command and it will find all the empty directories which you can, if you want, you can check by using the ls command to see if they are empty or not. You will find all those directories empty. Now, with empty or without empty, you can use other options like I want to find those files whose owner is Kali. So from my complete system, I want to find those directory or file, whatever you want to specify. So for now, I'm using a D. So it will find those empty directories whose owner is Kali. So let's hit enter. So these are all these empty directories whose owner is Kali user. Same thing, if you want to write with group, you can specify a group owner. I told you about group owner in last few videos, so you now know what is a group owner. So if you run this command, it will find those directories which is whose group owner is the Kali user. So empty means to find empty file or directory. Group means to find that file whose group owner is Kali or any other user. Let's say if I type, we have a group, I guess, with the name as group 1 or group 101. Yeah. So it is now trying to find those files whose those directories. If you're just trying to find files, you can find those files whose owner is group 101 and they are empty. Okay. So likewise, it will find the information for us. These are some errors which we are getting from some directories where you cannot go. Okay. But yes, other files and directories you will get. Most probably if we remove it like this and change the group to XYZ, because last time we made some changes. So like this, you might get some information. You remember we were working on this wordless.txt whose group owner we changed to this user called as XYZ. So you got the output of it.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.